here's what you can do in order to try to fix issues with Hotspot not working properly on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings, we're gonna jump to connections, and of course we're gonna go to mobile hotspot and tethering. First we need to go to mobile hotspot, we're gonna turn it on, and as you can see we have this information that we need to turn off Wi-Fi to be able to use mobile hotspot. So you need to make sure that you don't turn on Wi-Fi after you turn on hotspot, because if you re-enable Wi-Fi, then mobile hotspot will be disabled. The next thing that you can do is, for example, change the network name and password. Especially the password, you can try to set up something easier to enter. You need to use at least 6 characters. So let's say we're gonna use a simple password from 1 to 8 like this, and then of course save these changes and try to connect with this password. If the mobile hotspot is or cannot be detected on other devices in Wi-Fi settings, then perhaps you might want to change the band that you use for mobile hotspot, because if you set up to 5 GHz preferred, then some devices might not be able to detect the Wi-Fi network. So you want to switch to 2.4 GHz if you switched to that before, and see if the hotspot can be detected by other devices again. Of course, remember to save before you check that. And one more thing that you can do, actually 2 more things that we can do in these settings, in this menu. We can also try to use the one-time password if you have issues with connecting. So here you will see the one-time password. Of course, you can reset the password and you can generate the QR code. And if you don't want to use the one-time password, once you enable hotspot, you can also generate the QR code for the current password that you have set. And then you can try to scan the QR code with the other device in order to try to connect with the hotspot without having to even try to find the hotspot on the list of Wi-Fi networks, or without having to enter the password. So you can try that. And besides that, the next thing that you can do is, for example, make sure that the mobile data is set up correctly, because since we are not using Wi-Fi, we use mobile data for sharing the access to the internet. So you want to go to SIM manager, make sure that your SIM card is selected or enabled actually, and you want to make sure that the mobile data over here is set to the correct SIM card. And if you have some more issues, if this still didn't solve the issue with hotspot, then the last thing that you can do is jump to settings, jump back to the main settings, sorry, and choose general management and go to reset. And then over here you can try to either reset mobile network settings, where you can reset your SIM card over here, and after you press reset settings you will need to provide the screen lock password and then confirm your choice. So you might want to do that. Remember that every change that you made in the SIM settings, they will be reverted to default, so you might want to change that up again. Or actually do this after you make sure that the hotspot is working, but also you can try to reset all settings over here. So this might solve the issue as well. And that is pretty much everything that we can do to try to fix hotspot issues. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!